Hello, boys and girls. Today we're doing lesson 12.2, chapter 12, lesson 2. Our essential question is, what attributes can you use to describe two-dimensional shapes? In the last lesson, you guys talked about or learned about shapes that are curved and shapes that are not curved or straight. So what shapes did you learn in the last lesson in 12.1 that are curved? Good, a circle is one. So draw a circle. When we have two-dimensional shapes, a circle or an oval have curved or are curved. What shapes from last lesson do you remember that have straight sides? One can be a square. A rectangle has straight sides. Or a triangle has straight sides. Any of these shapes would work for the column labeled straight. On page 678, we're looking at different shapes, and we are looking at their attributes. Attributes are different parts of each shape. So for one thing we're looking at is number of straight sides. Another thing we're looking for is number of vertices or corners. The first example is hexagon. We draw the shape, and then we count, how many straight sides does a hexagon have? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It has 6 straight sides. How many vertices or how many corners does it have? It has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It has 6 corners as well. Now let's look at the rectangle. How many sides, how many straight sides does this rectangle have? 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's write the number 4. How many corners does this rectangle have? It also has 4 corners. Let's do the same thing with a square, trapezoid, and triangle. I want you to draw a square. Count how many sides there are, and write your answer in the chart. Then go back and circle how many vertices or corners there are. And write your answer in the chart. Now let's draw a trapezoid. And do the same thing with the trapezoid, and then again with the triangle. This is what your chart should look like. Your trapezoid has 4 sides and 4 corners. Your triangle has 3 sides and 3 vertices or 3 corners. On the next page, you're going to do the same thing. You're going to trace over each shape, count how many sides are in each shape, and write it on the line. Then you're going to count how many vertices each shape has, and write it on the line. You're going to complete page 679 and 680 by yourself. Once you finish, I want you to complete the homework pages 681 and 682 and post only the homework pages, boys and girls.